Okay, if I could just ask you what your name is.
Hi, my name's Carol Smith.
Hi Carol, thanks for coming in. So if I can just ask you a few things about yourself and then about your dental treatment here at the Village Dental Centre. Whereabout do you live then, Carol?
I live in Patcham.
Okay. And whereabout do you work? What do you do for a living?
I work in the imaging department at the Montefiore Hospital in Hove.
Okay, and that's where I came down and met you one day when I came in
It
myself,
was,
isn't
yes.
it?
It was.
Okay, and you had some dental treatment, and one of the things that people are a bit concerned about is if they have a dental implant done, they're worried they're going to be off work, they're going to have pain and discomfort and everything like that. What did you find?
It was nothing like you would imagine. I had just a little bit of pain afterwards, nothing that lasted any length of time. Was able to just do my normal day, go back to work the next day, absolutely fine.
Okay. So you went back the next day, and what did your friends at the Montefiore say to you when you said you were having a dental implant? What did they tell you might experience?
They obviously thought I'd be a bit battered and bruised and swollen, and I wasn't any of that. And when I went to work the next morning, they was all really surprised to see me because they thought I wouldn't make it in. But
they all stepped back in horror when they
I
saw you
actually
coming in the door.
wondered if they believed I had the implant because there was nothing to see.
All right, okay, that's great. That's a pretty good recommendation, isn't it? That they all expect you to have a few days off, and here you are walking back in, nothing had happened.
Yeah.
So, what made you have that? How did you feel about the fact you had a space there? What was your feeling about that?
Obviously not very nice at all to have gaps. So yeah.
In what way did it bother you then having a
just
gap?
when you smile, it's it's not nice, and I always worry that you might go in.
People sort of worry it's got a bit of an ageing
Yeah.
feeling, isn't it? You lose teeth. You sort of think it's something your parents used to talk about, or your grandparents or whatever, isn't it? It's that sort of feeling a
Yeah,
bit.
so no, not a good look.
Yeah, and so now that you've had something put back there, does it feel comfortable again now? Is
It's
it okay?
like it's always been there. You get used to it so quickly. It's like it's never been missing. It's just
Right, so you're able to buy comfortably.
yeah,
And
absolutely.
it was all done in fairly quick time as well, wasn't it? It wasn't months to do all this, was
No,
it?
very, very quickly. I think it was 3 visits all in all.
Yeah,
Just-
and not months in between either, really, was it? Good. And was it comfortable having, one thing that worries patients is, was it okay having local anaesthetic? I mean, we put on this paste before. Did that help when you had?
No pain at all. I didn't feel anything during the treatment at all.
Great. And would you have any problem recommending somebody
No,
else
not
to
at all.
have this treatment at the Village
Yeah, I
Dental
wouldn't
Centre?
hesitate to recommend it. It was brilliant.
Thanks, Carol. That's great.